Hi guys, I'm so excited to unbox my parcel which I just received, and let's unbox together my Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. And I choose the orange color this time, which is not my kind of color, but I want to go something colorful this time. And this is the original Apple charger that comes with the iPhone. Unlike before the cable and the charger, the charging plug, the adapter used to come together, but these days it only comes with this cable. And yes, the phone is really beautiful and very smooth, very silky. As you can see, the size is a bit bigger, but it is still okay. And yes, which I told you before, this is the charging plug, which you have to buy separately, and this one is of really very good quality, which they recommend, which the Apple recommend, and it charges like 2 times faster. And this is the glass cover. And this one is interesting. This one is the clear glass from the ZZZ, which is very strong and then can protect the screen from, they said, like even like 4 meter if it falls from 4 meter down. And it looks beautiful. The orange color looks beautiful from the clear glass.